You don't have to use anything.
Cam, how about trade me places?
Yeah, that's what I say. Okay, what about losing food?
Sneak right down here. There we go. Now you get them all in.
Count down from 5, okay? Hang on, we're gonna. Okay, everyone. Right, on 5, huh? So, contestants, are you ready? All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
He'll take it all.
Number 2 takes the first turn.
Actually, it's kind of sexy.
What's that?
Why is it flashing?
I don't know. I can't tell you. Make sure it's turned on.
I turned it off and turned it back on.
It might be dead.
I think this guy right here is in the lead. I mean,
Holy cow!
he's almost done.
Oh, he's doing you proud. Look at him go.
I think he's had one of those before.
You got it, Holmes. You only got a couple bites left.
Oh my gosh! This is like every bad date I've ever been on. Every bad day. Makes the wife proud.
Oh yeah, he's got it in the bag. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. He's right there too. You almost got yours too.
Oh, wow.
Let's go down between these two.
Yep.
You got it, Lukey. You got it, Lukey. Go. Go, buddy, go.
Almost.
Shoot, Papa, go.
He's going to get you. You better hurry up. He's got it right here.
You got it.
Almost. There he is, right there.
Wow. Wow.
That's awesome, man. That was fantastic.
Oh, that's funny.
So I have an official time limit of like 2 minutes and 12 seconds. That is like... Oh, there's absolutely. Absolutely. That was impressive. Wow. Almost. I know, I was right there.